Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's part 22 lecture, we will talk about how to send the integer value from one activity to another activity in Android. Okay, we have activity 1, and from activity 1 we want to send integer value to another activity. Okay, so here we will use the intent to pass the integer value from one activity to another activity. Okay, so now let us elaborate this with the help of example. Go to file, new project, empty activity. Next, my application, send int, okay, Java API level 50, and click on finish. Our project is now loading. Our project has been loaded. We will delete this text view, by default text view. Okay, so we will add here button on our layout and rename it to send int value. Okay, I am setting here the coordinates. Okay, and on button send int value, integer value. Okay, so we will add one more activity. Go to main activity, new activity, empty activity. Okay, this is your second activity, main to activity. Generate the layout file also and click on finish. So our second activity has been loaded. So the value coming from the activity 1, we are going to display it in a second activity. That's why we will take a text view in a second activity. Set the coordinates for this also. The value coming from the first activity we are going to display in a second activity. Okay, so here we have the button B. Okay, alter enter to import the class, and then B equal to button find view by id r dot id dot button. So we will add on click listener to B dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, this is our auto generated on click. Then here we will create the simply intent I. So alter enter to import the class I equal to new intent. Okay, the first activity, main activity dot this, and the second activity 2, main activity 2 dot class. Okay, we are calling this. Now simply use the put extra with the object intent I dot put extra. Okay, so here some token my int, and the integer value we supposed to send is the 40, and then start the activity, start activity I. Okay, this is what from the first activity. In a second activity we have the text view TV So we will initialize text view, tv equal to text view, find view by id, r dot id dot text view. Okay, so now here we will get the intent. So we will create the object of intent I1, let us say, and we will get the intent, get intent, and here now we will extract the value int val equal to this is I1 intent dot get extra. Get extra. And the token, so token is what this my int, comma this is the return. Now here we will have the get int because we are having the int integers. Okay, so this is now fine. Okay, now we want to set it to our text view, tv dot set text, we have the value. Okay, and we will increase the font of text, set text size, we will set to 20, and set text color also, we will set the color to red. Okay, so this is what we will implement. So now let us run this configuration. The value we are sending is 40. 40 will be set to the second activity. Now it's running. This is the first activity, and this one is the second activity. So in main activity we have the button send int value, and in a second activity we have the text view. Okay, so this is send int value, we are sending the 40 and it is going to set on second activity. Okay, so this is what the problem is there. Okay, fine, so let us check. Okay, so here the integer value is there. In the set text we need a string, that's why convert it into the string dot value of then set the val. Okay, set the val. Now let us run the configuration. So here this is the integer and we want to set it to the string value. Okay, now activity has been launched. Now send value, the value, okay, which we have sent is appeared here. Okay, so instead of 40, if you want to send another value, let us say this value 860, then you can see the value is going to be sent. So this is our application, send int value, the value is going to send. Okay, so this is what how to send an integer value from one activity to another activity, okay, using the intent. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you so much.